When you hear about Devi Siddhi Dhatri, what comes to your mind? What do the words Siddhi and Dhatri mean? So to answer all your questions, we are pleased to welcome and introduce you all to Brahmachari Divakar Chaitanya ji, who has taken charge of Chinmaya Mission Kolkata as a Central Chinmaya Mission Trust representative. Since 1998, he started his spiritual journey with many Himalayan Mahatmas and did various spiritual practices guided by them. He studied many Vedantic texts before he ultimately joined the Chinmaya Mission Sandipani Sadhanalaya in 2017 for the 17th Vedanta course under Swami Bodhatmananda ji and was given Diksha by Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayananda ji on 2nd October 2019. In the course of his mainstream education, he has earned diplomas in software engineering, hardware engineering, networking technologies, a Bachelor of Arts degrees, postgraduate diploma in mass communication and journalism, and an MBA. He has served as director of International Social Work Organization, taught value education in several correctional homes in Kolkata, and has also been the principal of Kontai Ramakrishna Saradashram. Along with this, he has trekked in the Himalayas almost every year and has also traveled all over India either on foot or by bike. Besides, he has a harmonious voice and plays several instruments like tabla, pakhavaj, harmonium, tanpura, etc. In fact, he used to play tabla for All India Radio and Akashvani at the age of 13 and has performed Shruti Natak at Akashvani. He is also a playwright theatre actor, a documentary filmmaker, and a linguist. So, as his name suggests, Brahmachari Divakar Chaitanya ji will shed some light on the topic Devi Siddhi Dhatri. We request you, Brahmachari ji, to take over.
Jai Mata Di. Ya Devi Sarva Bhuteshu Matre Rupena Sanstita Namastasyai 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 Namo Namaha. Siddhidatri, Mata Siddhidatri, is the 9th form of the goddess Parvati or Durga. The meaning of Siddhi means occult power or unnatural power, and Datri means giver. So on the 9th day of Navaratri, we celebrate or we worship Devi Siddhidatri, who fulfills the desires, the spiritual desires of the sadhakas. Now, in Purana, in Markandeya Purana, Kalika Purana, there is a mantra for Siddhidatri Devi. Siddhagandharva yakshayo surair marairapi sevyamana sada bhuya siddhida siddhidayini. He is having various things. She is having 4 hands, and in one hand she is having mace, another hand discus or chakra, another hand shankha, and in another hand lotus. And the mount of Devi, where she is sitting, is a full-blown lotus or simha. So around the time when there was nothing, only Brahman was there, Nirgun, Nirvikara. attributeless Brahman was there, then suddenly one flow of light comes, which was also formless, and suddenly it took a form, Saguna, Sakara, which is nothing but Devi Mahashakti. And Mahashakti created three Devas, that is Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwara. And Devi instructed them to do some penances. And they did it. And Devi was very delighted with three Devas' sadhana and distributed their duties like creation, sustenance, and dissolution to the respective deities, Brahmaji, Vishnuji, and Maheshwara. And Devi cloned herself as the wife of three, as Saraswati, Mata, Mata Lakshmi, and Mata Parvati. And you know, it's very scientific also, because if you want to create anything else, you need knowledge. And Mata Saraswati is the goddess of knowledge. For any sorts of sustenance, any sorts of maintenance, we need money, we need wealth. Mata Lakshmi is the goddess of wealth, and Parvati ji was the wife of Bhagwan Maheshwara. He was the god of dissolution, destruction. Destruction of what? Destruction of our ignorance. So Siddhi means the occult power. In one yoga philosophy concept that we are having, there are 8 siddhis, Anima, Laghima, Garima, all those things. But we have to know that our actual siddhi is moksha, Naishkarmya siddhi. We are already siddha, we are already accomplished. But then what is the role of Devi in our life? Because of which we can't understand that we are siddha. Means the ignorance, the cover of ignorance, what we are covered since throughout many lives, which is anadi, because ajnanam is anadi. Bhagavan Shivji, Bhagavan Mrityunjay, destroys our ignorance with the help of Devi, and ultimately we get the ultimate siddhi, that is moksha. Means we know. Here getting means knowing. We know that we are already siddha, and that is the significance of worshipping the deity Siddhidatri, who are not mokshagami, who are desirous, who are sakami sadhaka. They also accomplish in their own way. Devi fulfills their own, in their own way, in their own desires. Devi also fulfills their everything else. And Siddhi is the ultimate thing. Siddhi is the ultimate thing. Means Siddha is the ultimate thing, you know, and that is Naishkarma Siddhi is our ultimate moksha, ultimate Siddhi, and that Siddhidatri Devi gives us. And that is the significance of worshipping Mata Siddhidatri, or one of the form of Mata Parvati. Hari Om Tat Sat, Jai Mata Di.
It's there, Ullas. Please don't.
Thank you, Brahmachari ji. Your talk was very inspiring and made us aware about the story of Devi Siddhidatri.